Alright, so everything is done. Check it out. So, as you can see, I got all the weather stripping on. I got some new thumb screws, and yeah, I got the trucks on, got everything going. That's what is so great about this setup, is that I was literally able to just plug it in and go. So, hence the Lazy Dad name. I was able to just plug it in and go. I didn't want to have to learn, you know, how to solder. I didn't want to have to learn all the little ins and outs of everything. I've got very limited time. That's why it's taken me so long to make this board. And so I needed something as easy to put together as possible. So thank you guys so much for coming along with these videos, and hope you enjoy. Get out and make one yourself, or they're getting cheap enough now, just buy one. So.